Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some good old Jamaican rice and peas. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification bell on. For my returning subscribers, I thank you guys so much. Now let's get into this video.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop,
Now I'm going to be using my pressure cooker because some of the time you have to draw for the pressure cooker, when the time saying hello, I'm hungry. So in a pot I've gone in with about a cup of cowpeas because I find the flavors in the peas just say hello to my taste bud. One. So I put the peas in the pot with about 3 cups of water and I just let this pressure for about 20 minutes with a few cloves of garlic. Now when you finish pressuring your peas, when you have a pressure cooker, you know the thing go. Make sure you test your peas to find out if it's cooked. Now I've transferred it to another pot because so you have, guys, when you're cooking rice, make sure you use a pot that can cook the rice and go and burn up the rice. So I've gone in with a tin of coconut milk and I'm also going to be using the cream bar coconut. Yes guys, I'm going to cut off a little piece and I'm going to put it in the pot. So we're talking about nice food, damn good food around here. But damn bad food I go around here, so. But anyway, some people might say damn bad, but hey, anyway, let that boil. I let that boil up for about, I'd say roughly about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead now and add my seasoning. So I'm using some couple of spring onions, thyme. I've got about 3 crushed garlic. I've got a little pinch, little piece of ginger. Cause you have to have the ginger. Cause the ginger just make the thing just proper nice. So I'm gonna be using some ground allspice. Now guys, all this is just grounded up pimento. Cause nobody don't wanna bite in no pimento seed when they might eat them food. Just make the flavor just sizzle out and bubble out and the thing already in the pot. Nobody now have to every minute I spit out pimento seed. So I'm gonna add I'd say about 2 heaped teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning and I'm gonna just give this a stir. Now I taste your pot at this point. If it needs something else, you can add a little touch of salt, but it's up to you. Now I added in my rice and I'm just gonna give this a stir. Now when I added in the rice, the liquid was too much, so I took out too much liquid. I took out some of the liquid, must say, but look like me take out too much. So when I added in the rice, you know where you want the rice just to be below the level of the water. So I just topped it up a little bit more. Now the liquid that I took off from the pot in the first place, don't throw it away. No, come tell you say it will make you belch. Yeah, peas water, you never know about it. Nice. So anyway, I let that boil for about 10 minutes. Once the water just gets just below the surface of the rice, I'm gonna go ahead and use some cling film to wrap over my pot, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some foil paper over it, because so we want the rice steam down. Now previously I had my flame on medium. Now I'm gonna turn it down to low, limber style low. And I'm just gonna let this steam for about 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, you're gonna check your rice. Now be careful with this plastic, something in the so no burn up on, and I say Shellz make gonna burn up on yourself. Take on the time. See how I just release look like the steam over there. So hey, steam burn hot, if you never know about it, don't get to know it because it's not nice. I'm gonna take the plastic off. Then I'm just gonna get my fork. Now you ain't gonna be using a spoon because you're not push the rice around the pot. Get a fork. And you're just gonna tease up the little rice and just fluff it up and just nice it up. Now guys, welcome. Look at my rice. Now guys, I do have a pumpkin rice recipe. I will leave it right here. And also I have a plain white rice ball. No for cook the rice enough. Don't worry, Shellz got you. And there goes my rice, guys. Now you can take out all these little jill bang things, them just to make the rice look a little bit pretty. Now guys, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that like button for your girl. Don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't done so. Make sure your post notification bell is on so you know when I upload a video. I upload 3 times a week on a Monday and a Wednesday and a Friday. Make sure you look out for my recipes. Now if there's anything you would like to see me cook, leave a comment down below. And lad, just taking this beauty. Hello, how you doing? Wow. Yeah, don't you just love when your rice just cook good and it come out good and it tastes good? Lord have mercy. Now you know you can serve this up with a little meat, but for me this rice now, I wanted a little ackee on the side, so I cook up some ackee and I serve it up with a little ackee and piece of pear, as the Jamaicans would say. But folks abroad, they say it's avocado. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Ta-da.